So now let's see how we can go around and change the shape border style inside of VistaCreate. For that, we need a shape, and to do that, I'm already over here on the shapes area, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and bring in this square shape right here. I can go around and resize it according to how you want. So for this shape, you can see that there is a border option, meaning I can click on the border and increase around the thickness to add in a border right here. But for certain shapes right here, let's say for example, if I were to bring in this other shape, there is no border option for this particular shape. So it is only limited to some of the shapes that you have right here. For this shape right here, however, you can see that there is a border that you can work with, as you can see right here. This is the border itself, and there's a border color as well, and the main color is transparent, as you can see this like this. So now what I can do is I can go around and change around the border thickness, and even go around, choose the color of the border and choose the border that I like right here. So while working around with the border, you can work around with the transparency of the border as well, and even go around, change the hex value and take a sample of the color that you want to apply as a border as well. You can go around, choose around project colors, choose around brand kits, or choose around presets that you see right here, and choose around the shades of the color as well, just like with a regular color that you see right here. So if I were to go around onto the border, I can work around with the thickness, or remove the border altogether, turn around the thickness right here, or you can go around and change around, let's say, the style of the border right here. You can add in dashed lines right here, and you can increase around the amount of dash line, and also go around and change it out to dots, as you can see just like this. And that is how you can go around and change around the shape border style inside of VistaCreate. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.